In this video we will discuss about Stakeholder Register Layout Plan, Template Excel. Also other analysis template. First we will discuss about stakeholders, who are they and what are their role. Stakeholders have very important role in any project. Please hit like and share this video on your social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so you won't miss out on our future updates. Let's start the video. Stakeholders are mainly categorized as internal stakeholders, shareholder, owner, and employee, and external stakeholder, customer, supplier, and vendor. A sound stakeholder can benefit you in many ways. It increases the sale of your product as well as its market value. Communication with a sound stakeholder will help you make better decisions for the future of your organization. In addition, more than one stakeholder may be included in a project. Each stakeholder has its own interests and expectations from the project. These templates must include in project life cycle. Types of stakeholders template. There are three main types of stakeholders and we will discuss them in detail. Primary stakeholders template. These are the people who are directly affected by the outcomes of project, so template set accordingly. Secondary stakeholders template. These are the people who are not directly affected by outcomes of the project. Tertiary stakeholders template. These are the people that get the least impact of any project action. Elements of Stakeholder Register template. It includes like: Number 1, IT software project stakeholder analysis. Number 2, construction project stakeholder map. Number 3, stakeholder management plan. Number 4, stakeholder engagement plan. Number 5, communication plan. Text editor to copy or paste your assignment for project. How to create a stakeholder register for PMP? First of all, you have to know what is stakeholder register. This is the document used by project manager that contains the requirements, identification, also expectations of stakeholders from the project. The elements of documents are distributed among all the stakeholders. It's need to be updated throughout the project life cycle. There are some information regarding this. 1. Name. 2. Title. 3. Roles. 4. Interest. 5. Power. 6. Requirements. 6. Concerns. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.